Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for January 23rd, 2018. Nostalgia alert coming soon from Sola look for all you Bayside High fans. The Saved by the Bell Liquid Lipstick Trio goes on sale February 3rd. 3 vegan, custom-formulated shades by Depeche Girl called Jessie, Kelly, and Lisa. More updates soon. Remember those Makeup Revolution concealers from yesterday's minute? Surprise! They're coming to their site at Ulta.com today and in stores February 4th. And if you like foundation sticks, take a look at the Fast Base Stick with 18 buildable shades coming soon. These Kylie Warm Velvet Lips are launching today on their site, and also today Jouer Blush Duos launch on their site. Soft romantic shades perfect for spring in 3 duos. Text Jouer to 24321 for early access and a first-time 20% off code. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.